Hidden deep in a Chinese mountain range, engineers initiated a $100 billion gamble. The objective: tame one of the world's wildest rivers. To build a structure this massive, they wouldn't just be pouring concrete. They would have to reshape the mountain itself. The first core samples delivered a devastating reality. The mountain's granite was severely fractured. A standard foundation would collapse under the pressure. Before blocking the valley, they had to measure the exact kinetic force of the river. One miscalculation meant the entire future structure would wash away. To solve the fractured rock problem, they had to blow away the entire outer layer of the mountain to reach solid bedrock. Beneath the rubble, they finally hit solid bedrock. The foundation was secure, but the true engineering nightmare was just beginning. With the bedrock exposed, a new topographical grid was locked in. Before building up, they had to tunnel directly into the mountain's heart. To build the wall, they needed concrete. So much concrete, they had to hollow out a second mountain just for the raw materials. Every square inch of bedrock was scoured with 40,000 psi water. A single layer of dust could cause a structural failure. To build the dam, they first had to move the river. They deployed massive boring machines to carve a bypass directly through the mountain. The excavation triggered a terrifying reaction. The seismic monitors lit up red. The mountain was shifting, threatening to crush the tunnels before completion. To stabilize the site, they poured the first foundation block. It was the anchor for everything to follow. Concrete cures exothermically, releasing massive amounts of heat. In the freezing mountain air, the rising structure literally steamed through the night shift. The appetite for raw material was infinite. An entire neighboring peak was systematically dismantled, sliced into perfect geometric terraces. Trucks alone were not fast enough. To feed the concrete monster, they had to build an entire underground railway network. Deep inside the solid rock, the true scale of the project was revealed. A man-made cavern large enough to hold a cathedral. The turbine components were so colossal they barely fit through the access tunnels. A single miscalculation in transport would trap the machinery forever. These massive steel arteries were locked into the concrete. They would eventually channel the river's entire violent force. Every joint of the steel arteries had to be welded flawlessly. A microscopic pinhole would become a catastrophic blowout under pressure. The surveying lasers confirmed a terrifying reality. Across a cavern the size of a city block, the engineering tolerance was 0.003 meters. The downstream face could not have a single flaw. Any friction point would cause the water to tear the concrete apart.
Installation sequence initiated for the electrical heart. Core seating at 53% completion. All parameters stable.
The project never stopped. 24 hours a day, the human engine pushed forward, fighting exhaustion, the altitude, and the mountain itself. The wall was finished. The diversion tunnels were sealed. For the first time in millions of years, the river was stopped dead in its tracks. The dam was secure, but the surrounding mountain was not. As billions of gallons pooled, the sheer hydraulic pressure threatened to shatter the valley walls. Inside the command center, the structural strain sensors spiked. The concrete was bending backward under millions of tons of force. And then, it held. It stood as a monument to human defiance. A 300-meter wall of solid gray concrete, holding back the weight of an ocean. To relieve the terrifying strain on the wall, the spillway gates opened. The mountain exhaled its first breath. The heart of the machine lay deep underground. These massive steel blades were perfectly balanced, waiting for the water to wake them up. The generator assembly matches the schematics precisely. We are cleared for final integration testing. The violent, untamable gorge was gone forever. In its place, a massive inland sea of perfectly still, silent turquoise. With the reservoir full, the final sequence began. The command was given to open the gates and wake the machines below. This was the final look. Once the casing was sealed and the water flowed, no human could ever step inside again. The humans had finished their work. Now, automated drones scanned millions of square feet of concrete to ensure absolute perfection. The giant was finally connected to the grid. Thousands of miles of high-tension cables stood ready to carry its immense power outward. $100 billion. Tens of millions of tons of concrete. Everything depended on the physics holding together in this exact moment. Dropping the massive steel rotor into the copper housing required inhuman precision. A single millimeter of sway would destroy the world's largest machine. What was once a treacherous, untamable gorge was now bridged by a flawless ribbon of concrete and steel. Inside the mountain, a sprawling network of access tunnels formed the veins of the dam, completely hidden from the world above. The violence of construction was over. The valley had been permanently altered, but a new, quiet equilibrium had arrived. Every check was complete. It was time to unleash the weight of the ocean into the machines. As the water hit the blades, the colossal rotors spun up. The screens locked at exactly 108 RPM. The giant was awake. The underground hull was spotless, but resting a hand on the steel revealed the terrifying, contained violence spinning just beneath. They had fought the mountain, the weather, and the river. And against impossible odds, they had built a monument. $100 billion had not just built a machine. It had completely rewritten the geography of the Earth. The Mountain Mega Dam was more than just a power station. It was a permanent testament to absolute engineering. They hadn't just built a wall. They had engineered a new ecosystem, erasing the scars of their own colossal excavation. While the valley slept, the giant roared in silence. 7,500 megawatts surging outward through the dark. Downstream, the monster was gone. The violent, muddy torrent had been replaced by a crystalline, perfectly controlled flow of life. The river had not been destroyed, it had been perfected. Its raw fury traded for absolute, mathematically precise elegance. $100 billion, thousands of hands, millions of tons of stone. They did not just build a dam. They built a permanent wonder of the modern world.
This production by Next Forge Labs is created for educational and illustrative purposes using advanced AI technologies. Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process. From GIF conceptualization to video generation, human creativity leads every step. Next Forge Labs channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and follows all 2026 YouTube monetization rules.